back to my channel, everybody. It's one Honey Bell, your girl here. Today, guess what? I'm feeling good. I'm going to cook some steamed fish. And I'm going to show you the right way to cook this steamed fish. If you look, I have my seasoning right here. I have my onion and my tomato and my bell pepper and my thyme and my pepper. You know, I'm not going to cut this pepper because it might be too spicy. So I put it in my steamed fish so that it can get the flavor. And then I have my scallion. And I'm going to put a little butter. And if you look over here, you see my fish. My pretty fish that I've just washed with some lemon and some vinegar. And if you look here now, I put a little water. I put a like 3/4 cup of water, and it is bubbling. And I'm planning to put some okra also in it, because you know what okra does, man. You know everything about okra. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my fish just like so. Put my fish in, and I'm gonna put my seasoning on top of this. Wow, this is pretty. Yes, as I say, I'm not gonna cut my pepper. I'm just putting it for flavor. And I'm gonna put some garlic. I'm gonna put some garlic. And I'm going to crush it so that all the goodness will come out. And then I'm going to put some okra. Yeah, okra. Yeah, okra. Okra is gummy. And it's very healthy for you. And you men, you know what I'm talking about with all this gum. It's good for ladies too. But you men, you love your steamed fish. And then I'm going to put a little butter. And I put yeah. I'm gonna put my onion powder. Onion powder.
By the way, guys, we're gonna have a good time. Good time.
Onion powder. Yes, this thing's just gonna good today. Yeah, I'm gonna have this with my vegetable, my broccoli.
But not with me.
And I'm gonna put a pinch of salt, you know.
A pinch of pink salt.
A little salt, so that. And then I'm gonna turn my stove down low.
There.
Maybe about medium. And let it cook. And I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna let this cook.
Okay, guys. Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos.
Yay!
And follow us on Instagram. I'm so excited to hit all the subscribers, all the money I'm on. Sorry. Oops, sorry.
Steamed fish is ready. It's finished. We're gonna look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look here. Look at my steamed fish. You're gonna enjoy this. And you can just lay it. I'm gonna try and lay it on my plate without it. I don't know what to try. I'm just gonna try and lay it on my plate without it being crushed or mashed out. I need another spoon to help to balance it, because you want it to look pretty on your plate. You don't want it to look like a broken fish. Yes. And then you can put your sauce on, and your vegetable. Your vegetable. And your sauce, and you can put a little sauce around it. You can have this with your rice, your mashed potato. For those of you who's watching your weight, some steamed veg would do nice with this. And so this is my snapper fish, steamed fish dinner. So pretty, look at it. Yes, this is good. Can't wait to eat.
Me too. Okay, so subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos, and follow us on Instagram. Bye!
Guys, my steamed fish is ready. It's beautiful, it's colorful, with all those nice mixture of seasoning. You can have this with some steamed veg. You can have it with mashed potatoes. You can have it with your rice if you eat rice. Your brown rice, your white rice, whatever. And I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this. Mwah. Until then, bye.